Welcome all to Anudeep YourStudyBuddy YouTube channel. So in the earlier lectures, we have discussed about a topic called data handling. We are going to discuss about the interesting topic today, that is mensuration.
So let us now understand more about mensuration. Mensuration is the division of mathematics that studies geometric figures like rectangles, squares, triangles, trapezium, calculations of area, length, volume, lateral surface area. So all these questions you will come across when you are dealing with the problems on mensuration. Depending upon the shape of the geometric figure, you can apply the concept of parallel lines and solve the problem. You can figure out the angles involved in the geometric figures. Let us now understand some real life examples of mensuration. Mensurations help us to calculate the different measurements in agricultural fields, then floor area for a plot when you are purchasing or selling it, surface area when you are painting your house or a building, volume of packing milk, edible food items. So these are few examples of mensuration. When you are solving problems on mensuration, I would like to suggest you few tricks because it involves many different shapes, geometrical figures that you will come across. So it is a very good idea to list down different problems that has different shapes, like we have a circle, rectangle, quadrilateral of different kinds like square, trapezium, rhombus, different kinds of triangle, isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle. Then the problem may include the concept of parallel lines, like when you have a parallelogram, it includes the parallel line concept into it. So it is a good idea to list down the formulas for area and volume, surface area for the different shape. So keep that in handy. Also, look into the problem and see if the properties of different kinds of quadrilaterals, triangles, parallel lines will help you to simplify it further. Let us now understand the concept of parallel lines. So you can look into the screen and you can see the two parallel lines, line L and M. These two lines are parallel to each other, and D is a line which cuts N and M, which is called transversal. So there are different angle formation that appears on the screen, and they are named by the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let us understand them in detail. So the pair of corresponding angles, so angle 2 and angle 6, they are called the angles which are above the lines, they are called corresponding angles. Similarly, the angles which are just below the lines, that is angle 3 and 7, these are also called corresponding angle. Then we have a pair of interior alternate angle. So if you can just keep your pencil on a line and start drawing from left to right, downwards and right to left, that is Z formation. If that happens, that is how you identify the alternate angles. So you can see in the figure angle 6, angle 4 and angle 6. These two, they form the interior alternate angle. Similarly, angle 3 and angle 5, they are the examples of alternate angles. Now, like we have an interior angle, we have the exterior angle. So, angle 1 and angle 7, they form the pair of exterior angle. Similarly, now you can guess the other pair, that is angle 2 and angle 8. When we have two lines and we have the interior angles, now the angles which are so formed by the transversal. So interior angles on the same side of a transversal, they are said to have, they are supplementary angles and their addition is equal to 180 degree. So in the given figure, angle 3 and angle 6, these are the interior angles and same side of the transversal they are situated. So addition of angle 3 and angle 6 will be 180. Similarly, angle 4 and 5, they also form the supplementary angle. Look at the question on the screen. It is from the IMO 2018-19 Set A, question number 46. Here you have been given a shape where you see a kind of a triangle and a parallelogram. So what we need to do, we need to evaluate the different angles B, D, A and C, and then we have to evaluate the expression. So let us simplify.
SR is parallel to VT. RT is parallel to SC. Angle S is of 90 degree. Angle QPR is 50 and angle UVT is 20. To find out the value of B plus D. So we need to figure out the B, C, A and D. Construct a line QW which is perpendicular to the line TV. RT and SW are now parallel lines. This angle is of 90 degree. The angle UVW will also be 90. Now if you can notice, here angle A, it forms the exterior angle with the two interior angles U and V in the triangle UVW. So by the theorem of exterior angle theorem, we know that angle A will be equal to angle UVW plus angle UWV. So it will be equal to UVW is given to be 25 and UWV, as it is a forming linear pair, it will be 90 degrees and it will be equal to 115. So for the first value of A, first unknown A, we have the value is 115. So A is 115. So we have obtained one unknown, that is A. From the figure, what we can observe that these two lines RT and SW, they are parallel. So the angle S and angle D, they are opposite alternate angle or interior alternate angle. So they should be equal. So I can write angle S will be equal to angle D. So this will be equal to 90 degree and reason for this is interior alternate angle. So we have obtained the value of A, that is equal to 115. We have obtained the value of D, that is equal to 90 degree. Now let us see the remaining angles. If you observe the angle B, again what you observe from here is B is also 90 degree. Right? This SW and PT, I can say they are parallel. So alternate angles will be, so angle here, angle B is also equal to 90 degree. Now to calculate the value for the angle C, what we have here again, it is inside angle, it will be 90 degree because they form a linear pair. So in triangle PQR, we have the angle P equal to 50, which is given. We have angle R, it is equal to 90 degree, and C we need to figure out. So as we know, sum of all the angles in the triangle is 180 degree. So angle P plus angle R plus angle Q will be equal to 180. P is 50, R is 90, Q is C, it is equal to 180. So C is nothing but 180 minus 140, giving us 40. B plus D minus E plus C. So this will be equal to B plus D. What is the value of B? It is 90 plus D is also 90 minus A is 115 plus C is 40, giving you 180 minus 155, and that comes out to be 25. So the answer for the question. So 25 is the answer, and from the MCQ, the answer is D.
This question is from IMO 2019-20 Set B, question number 47. And question is, ABCD is a rectangle of dimension 12 centimeter and 5 centimeter. AEFC is a rectangle drawn in such a way that the diagonal AC of the first rectangle is one of its side and side opposite to it is touching the first rectangle at D. What is the ratio of the area of the two rectangles ABCD and AEFC? Let us simplify.
Let us see how to simplify this problem. We have been given the rectangle ABCD and second rectangle is ACFE. All the angles in the rectangle there are 90 degrees. We have been given the length of AB is 12 centimeter and length of BC is 5 centimeter. We have been asked to find out the ratio of area of these two ABCD and ACEF. So if you know the length and breadth of a rectangle ABCD, you can obtain the area of rectangle ABCD. It will be length into breadth, that is AB into BC. It will be equal to 12 into 5, that is 60. So this is what is the area of ABCD. AC, these are the diagonals of a rectangle ABCD, and this line AC is dividing this rectangle into two equal parts. If I want to find out the area of triangle ACD, it should be equal to half into base into height. Base is AC and height, a perpendicular line, that is AE is its height. AC is dividing this rectangle into two equal halves. Area of triangle ACD is a half of area of rectangle ABCD. Area of rectangle ABCD is 60. So it is equal to half into 60. Area of triangle ACD, it is equal to half into AC into AE. AC is one side of a rectangle and another side AE. So for the rectangle ACEF, these are the two adjacent sides. It is equal to area of ACF, and that is equal to 60. From equation 1 and 3, we see that area for both of these is same. So what will be their ratio? Both are having the same area, so their ratio will be 1:1. That is what is the answer.
So far, we have discussed about two different kinds of problems from the IMO test exam. Now you see another problem on the screen. Here, you need to figure out what is the value of x. So you need to identify the angle x shown in the different figure. So I want you to attempt this question and you can write the answer in the comment box. You can take help of the tricks that I have suggested. Also, you can use the concept of parallel lines. You can use the concept or the properties of supplementary angle or angle forming a linear pair. So, look into the problem and identify which properties you are making use of it and which is the concept that deals with this problem. So, all the best. I am waiting for your answer in the comment box. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and share and stay tuned for the next interesting topic. We will meet very soon. Thank you.